Good morning, class 8th. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, Computer Network. In this lesson, we will be learn about computer network, how a computer network helps, types of transmission or communication media, wired connection or wireless connection. Okay, types of computer network also. Now let's start. What is the computer network? Two or more computer or peripherals connected together for sharing data. Sharing data means files or hardware resources such as printer form a network. Networks may vary in terms of size, the number of computers connected together, complexity, the way computers are connected, and geographical spread. Okay. You can see in this image, this is printer, server, router, and PCs, and this is switch. These all are connected to each other, okay, and sharing their data and files. Understood? The network specific to the users within the organization is called the intranet. Internet is also a network, but it is huge and open to all. The computer in a network is known as node. Okay, computer is known as node in the network. Each node is connected through either cables or wireless medium. Now we will be learn how a computer network helps. A computer network is useful in the following ways. First is file sharing. What if you need to access a file stored on another computer? A network makes it easy for everyone to access the same file or software application and prevent from accidentally creating various versions. Okay, collaboration and communication. It's hard for a team to work together if they do not know what the other team member is doing. A network allows users to share files, view other people's work, and exchange ideas more efficiently. Okay. Now, sharing computer peripherals. With a network, several computers can share the same printer, scanner, and other similar resources. Okay. Now, remote access. Network allows greater mobility while maintaining the same level of productivity. With remote access in place, users are able to access the same files, data, and messages even when they are not present. Okay. Now, data backup. A network makes it easier to back up all the data or files on a server or other storage media. Now, advantage of computer network. Computer in a network has the following advantages. Cost effective, as the resource can be used by multiple persons. Software licenses are likely to be cheaper than buying several standalone license. Okay, save time while sharing files. Need not depend on internet connectivity or its bandwidth or transfer files. All types of files such as text, audio, video, graphics can be shared easily. Security is good, Users cannot see others users' files unlike on standalone machines. Now, disadvantage of computer network. Computers in a network has the following disadvantages. Because purchasing the network, cabling, and file servers can be expensive. Okay. Managing a large network is complicated. Requires training and requires a network manager to manage. Understood? If the file server has a fault, then users may not be able to run applications. The work will come to a halt. Okay. If there is a problem in a network, then all the computers connected to the network cannot be used. If there are more number of users than defined number, then the transfer and sharing of files may become slow. Understood? Now, types of transmission or communication media. Computers are connected to each other on a network either through wire or electromagnetic medium. Communication medium is defined as the means by which data travel through a network. Wired connection. When the computer is connected to the internet using a wire, it is called a wired connection. Understood, friends? Now, Ethernet cable cable used for connected to the internet. Ethernet cable used for connecting internet is used to transfer data between connected PCs. Okay. In a small wired network, a single router may be used. In a small letter, we can use single router to connect all the computers. The transmission communication medium for wired connection. First is twisted pair cable. Maximum length 100 meter, easy to install, widely available and used. Disadvantage: susceptible to interference, can cover only a limited distance. Okay. Coaxial cable 500 meter, less susceptible to interference than other types of copper media. Difficult to work with limited bandwidth, limited application. Damage to cable can bring down entire network. Okay. Now fiber optic cable 10 km and further cannot be tapped, hence better security can be used over great distance, is not susceptible to interference. Smaller in size and lightweight than a comparable copper wire cable, offering a better fit for places where space is concerned, have a longer life cycle over 100 years. Difficult to terminate and more vulnerable to damage, can only be used on ground. Okay. Now wireless connection. You can also connect your computer to the internet using wireless technology. Wireless signals are electromagnetic waves that travel through the vacuum of outer space and through a medium such as air. Hence there is no need of physical medium for wireless signals. Okay. To build a network, laptop need a wireless internet. You know that internet card to connect to a modem with using any cables. The communication medium for wireless connections are media type microwave. It uses a beam, radio waves, and the wavelengths of radio waves are measured in centimeters. The main disadvantage of microwave signal is they can be affected by bad weather, especially rain. Okay, rain. Now radio waves. It was the first wireless communication technology and it still serves a purpose. It uses a transmitter which is used to transmit the data in the form of radio waves to a receiving antenna. Mostly an audio broadcasting service, radio broadcasts sound through the air as radio waves. Okay. Now infrared technology is used in TV remotes. The distance an infrared signal can travel is usually less than 50 feet for household electronics. Infrared-based communication is slow and devices are often incompatible with each other. Understood? Now satellite, when the signal is sent near the satellite, then satellite amplifies the signal and send it back to the antenna receiver which is located on the surface of the earth. It is widely spread to all over the world to allow user to stay connected almost anywhere on the earth. Understood, students? Now Bluetooth. Bluetooth uses a radio frequency that allows transmission through walls and other objects. It is used for short range connection between desktop and laptop computers, PDAs, digital cameras, scanners, printers, cellular phones, and enabling hand-free cell phone use inside Bluetooth enable automobiles. Different Bluetooth devices can typically communicate with each other regardless of the manufacturer. Okay. Now Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking standard trademark by the Wi-Fi Alliance. It allows computers and other devices to connect to wireless routers and therefore other systems on the network. If the router is connected to the internet, device is connected to the wireless access point may also have internet access. Wi-Fi technology, which has a large range and higher bandwidth than Bluetooth, is the standard that most wireless networking equipment uses. Okay, wired connection tends to work slightly faster than wireless connection. Through it provides convenience of using it within range. Okay. Students, remaining topic we will be covered in next class. Okay. Thank you, friends. Stay home, stay safe.